Okay, hi, my name's Ashley, and today we're gonna dissect this poor pig. It's making me very upset. It's okay. So we're gonna look and see if it's a girl or a boy. So we're gonna look at the mammary glands, which usually all female and males have that. So you can't really tell if that's a dude or a girl by looking at that. But if you look back here, you can tell that it's a dude because there's no urinary papillae. So this is the external structure of the pig. And when we're getting close to the ears, we're gonna be looking at the pinnae. So this is the pinnae, which is the ears. And this right here is the nares, which is the nostrils. And then we're gonna get into his mouth, which is, I'm gonna pause the video and I'll get back to you in just a second. Okay, so now we're gonna look into the pig's mouth and figure out what is going on in here. So, I couldn't really get the string to stay so the pig could stay, but those right there are the canines, the teeth, and then this is the hard palate, and the soft palate is way in the back. So like, the soft palate's like back there near the epiglottis. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's right back there, like the darker color of the back. And then you're gonna look at the tongue, which is the sensory papillae, which is where they taste. And then underneath is the canines also. And then we're gonna get to the epiglottis, but I can't really see it from that. So once we open them up, I'll show you. Okay, so now we're gonna be looking at the thoracic cavity of the pig. Okay, so this pig is not cut out like the ones that were in the video, but we're gonna go with it. And I have a pet pig, so this is not easy, by the way. Not your fault. But anyway, so this right here is the larynx, which is right above the trachea, which is this tube right here. Yeah, right there. Sorry. Sorry, the foot touched me. And then, so then you're gonna go down a little bit, and this is the thyroid gland right here. And then the thymus gland, which is on top of the heart down here. Right there. Like this would be the thymus gland. I'm gonna go with that. And then this up here is the lungs. So there's just two little lungs. We accidentally like cut them a little bit, but yeah, it was really hard to cut him. And then, so the thin substance around the heart is the pericardium. And then this is the heart, and underneath the heart is the diaphragm. That's the diaphragm. And then the peritoneum is up down here, like the outskirts, the thin layer of that. Okay, so now we're gonna look at the abdominal region of the pig. So down from the heart is the liver, and under the liver is the gallbladder, that little greenish looking thing right there. And then from the gallbladder, under the gallbladder this is the stomach, which is the little muscly thing right there. And then from the stomach leads to the small intestine, which is these, even though it does look like the large intestine because there's so many of them. But like, this is the one that leads to the small intestine. That little, the duodenum, I think it's what it's called. And then this is the large intestine, which leads from the small intestine. And it stores water. And then right here is the cecum, this little thing right here. And that is the end of the abdominal cavity of the pig. Lastly, we're going to talk about the urogenital structure. So leading on from the large intestine and the small intestine is the rectum, which is right here, which stores all the waste. And then on the sides right here is the urethra. It has them on both sides of the rectum. And then this is the urethra, which is the penis. And then down from that is the testes, which is right there. And then the The epidermis is right down here. Like right there. It's